Number 3, air ball. Again. Number 3 again. Number 14, 2 points for NZ. Points for number 14. Number 3, pass. Number 1. Number 1 to number 3. Number 3, dribbling. For the 3, not good. Number 6, floater, not good. Number 3 with the ball. Pass to number 25. Number 25 attacking the rim. Foul. Foul number 25. Black Mamba ball. Number 3 to 25. Number 25 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 1. Number 1 attacking the rim. 2 points for number 1, Black Mamba. Number 25, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 20. Number 20 attacking the rim. 2 points for NC. 2 points for Kiwi. Number 3. Hey. 2 points for number 3. Black Mamba. Divine with the ball. Another 2 points for Divine. Number 3 attacking. Not good. Number 20. Kiwi with the rebound. Number 14 dribbling. Number 4 shoot. Not good. Number 20 shoot. Not good. Number 3, dribbling the ball down the court. Pass to number 5. 2 points for Black Mamba. Number 5. Black Mamba with another ball. Number 3, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 25, not good. Number 24 to number 25. Good. Number 24, not good. Out. Kiwi's ball. Foul. Foul number 3. Black Mamba. Number 3, fine dribbling the ball. Another 2 points for Black Mamba. Number 1. Number 25 dribbling the ball. Pass. Number 20 with the ball. Pass. Number 24. Foul. Is there a foul? Who fouled? Foul number 3. Black Mamba. Second personal foul. Second personal foul. Second team foul. 1 point for number 24. Divine with the ball. From deep three, and fast break. Number 25 with the ball. Number 34. Pass. Oh, no look pass, but not good. Number 23. Number 3. Number 25. Fast break. Oh, air ball. Jump ball. Jump ball. Black Mamba's ball. Number 1, pass number 5. 25. Number 3. I'm out. Number 3 for 3, not good. Number 1 with the rebound, dribbling the ball. Number 6 for the 2 points, not good. Number 1 with the rebound. Number 6 again. Not good. Number 20 with the ball. Rebound. Devon with the rebound. Fast break. Time out, time out, time out. Black Mamba's ball. Number 3 with the ball. Attacking the rim. Spin move. Pass is a little off though.
Number 20. Pass to number 24. Number 3. Number 2 got the rebound, block. Number 3. Pass to number 35. Pass to number. He got the rebound, driving down to the court. Number 14 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 35. 4-3. Air ball. Black Mamba got the rebound. Number 3 driving down to the court. Pass to number 1. Easy 2 points for number 1. Black Mamba. Number 25. We bring the ball. Go. 4-5. 4-5. Number 3 driving to the court. Pass to number 1. Good. Number 20. Giving the ball. Pass to number 5. Easy. Pass to number. Number 3. Black Mamba dribbling down to the court.
Number 3, taking his time. For 3. A little off. Number 14. Number 14, fast break. That's number 25. Not good. Number 24, 2 points for Kiwi. Number 1 with the ball. Number 25. Number 25 to number 6. Foul. Foul by number 14. Foul by number 14, Kiwi. First personal foul. 5 seconds on the clock. 5. Number 25 for 3. Not good. Kiwi's ball. Number 14 pass number 25. 25 to number 24. Easy 2 points for number 24, Kiwi. Number 25. Pass number 3. Number 3. Oh. Pass number 6. Not good. Number 25 with the rebound. Easy 2 points for number 5, Black Mamba. Oh, behind the back toss by number 20. Not good. Number 1 ball. Pass number 3. 4-3. Not good. Thirty-five. 25 cut. Kiwi's ball. Out by number 3. Number 25 to number 3. Five-second shot clock. Number 3, pass number 1. That's the easy 2 points. 25 with the ball. Three points for 25. 2 points, 2 points. 2 points for number 25, Kiwi. Number 3, dribbling with the ball. Number 3, pass number 25. Pass number 24. Number 24, pass number 20. Number 20, cutting in. Paint work. Good. Number 2 with the rebound. Number 1 with the ball. Fast break. Easy 2 points for Black Mamba, number 1. Number 20. Number 2. Pass to number 35. Jumping. Travel. Three points for number 3. 2 points for number 3, Black Mamba. Number 24, number 25. Foul, number 1, Black Mamba. First personal foul. Number 25 to number 14. Number 14 cutting in. Number 24 with the finish. 2 points for Kiwi. Number 1. Number 25 with the ball. Pass number 1 to number 3 for the 3 points. Good. 3 points for number 3, Black Mamba. Eight seconds. Number 1, pass number 25. Not good. 5 minutes left in the second quarter. Number 25 for the 3 point. 3 points for number 25, Kiwi. Score 21-16 in favor of Black Mamba. Number 25 dribbling the ball. Out by Black Mamba. Kiwi's ball. Number 20. Pass number 25. Number 25 to 24. 2 points for number 3, Kiwi. Divine. Pass number 1. Number 1 with the face. Easy 2 points for number 1. Black Mamba. Timeout. Reserve timeout for Black Mamba. Number 25 with the ball. Pass number 20. Steal from number 3, Black Mamba. Number 3 with the fast break. Easy 2 points for Mamba, number 3. Number 24 with the floater. 2 points for Kiwi, number 24. Drop. Number 1, number 6. Steal from number 25. Number 14. Pass to number 3. Easy 2 points. To number 3, Kiwi. (22-25) in favor of Black Mamba. 3 points for Divine. Number 3, Black Mamba. Timeout. Kiwi ball. Number 25, attack. Easy 2 points. Number 25, Kiwi. Number 3. Pass number 1. Number 1. 3 points. Not good. Kiwi. Number 14. Pass number 24. Number 24 to number 20. 2 points for number 20, Kiwi. Number 1. Two minutes left. 28-26 in favor of Black Mamba. Number 25. 2 points for number 25, Kiwi. 28 all. Number 25. Not good. Off the backboard. Number 25 with the ball for 2 points. Good. From 2 points from number 25, Kiwi. 30 to number 28 with Kiwi in the lead. Number 3. Number 3. Travel. Number 3. Number 24, pass to number 20. Number 20 gets the ball out. Black Mamba's ball. Divine with the ball. Can he score in under 30 seconds? Number 3. 10 seconds left for 3 points, air ball. 2 points for Black Mamba, number 1. 30 all. Hey, 2 points for number 20. 24 Kiwi. Number 14, number 20. Number 20, number 25. Black Mamba's ball, number 25. Pass, number 3. Number 3 with the 3 points. Not good. Number 3. Kiwi. 2 points.
Number 3, giving the ball pass to number 6. Number 5. Number 3, foul. Who's foul? Number 3, Kiwi. Ball, second personal foul. 9 minutes, 14 seconds, shot clock.
$34-30. Who's winning? In favor of Kiwi. Number 20. Attack to the rim. 2 points. Number 3, 2 points. Number 3, dribbling the ball. Number 3. Number 20. Pass number 25. Two points for number 3, Kiwi. Seven minutes left. Number 14. Miss pass. Black Mamba's ball. Number 3. Pass to number 1. Number 1. 38 to Kiwi. Divine attacking the rim. Easy 2 points for Black Mamba. Number 3. 32-38. With Kiwi still in the lead. Number 14. 8 seconds left on the shot clock. Out. Black Mamba ball. Divine with the 2 points. 38-34 with Kiwi still in the lead. Two points for Kiwi. Number 1. Pass. To number 5. 2 points. Black Mamba. 36-40. With Kiwi still in the lead. Number 1 with the steal. Pass to number 25 for the easy 2 points. 2 points for Black Mamba. Number 25. 40-38. With Kiwi still in the lead by 2 points. 5 minutes left in the third quarter. Number 1 with the steal. Pass to number 25. Not good. Number 20 with the rebound. Kiwi's ball. Reserve timeout for Kiwi. Number 20, Kiwi with the 2 points. 42-38 with Kiwi still in the lead. 4 minutes left in the third quarter. 2 points. Timeout. 2 points for number 6. Kiwi's ball.
Oh, bola. Likod.
Number 25. Pass to number 20. Number 20 back to number 25. Divine with the steal. Pass break. Number 1 to number 3 for the 3 points. Not good. Number 25 with the rebound. Number 25 to number 3. Divine. 2 points. 2 points for number 3, Divine. Black Mamba. (42-42) with 3 minutes remaining in the third quarter. Foul number 5, Black Mamba. Mamba ball. Number 1, pass. Number 3. Number 3. Foul. Number 24. Kiwi. First personal foul. Number 24. Second team foul for Kiwi. 1 point for number 3, Black Mamba. 2 minutes left on the clock. Another 2 points for number 3, Black Mamba. Timeout. Technical foul. Number 25. Number 25 cutting. Not good. 25 Black Mamba. Divine cutting in. Not good. Ain't work. Number 3 for the 3 points. Not good. Black Mamba's ball. Number 1, pass number 25 for the 2 points. Not good. Number 20 with the rebound. Pass to Divine with 30 seconds left in the third quarter. 30 seconds. Oh! Where did his ankles go? Ten seconds left. Two points for number 5, Black Mamba. 1 second left on the clock. 43-46 with Black Mamba in the lead by 3 points.
Okay, good luck both teams. Fourth quarter. Fourth quarter. Pass to number 85. Good. Number 3, Q. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Pass to number 25. Shot clock. 3 seconds violation. Black Mamba's ball. Number 3, pass to number 1. Pass to number 3. Out. Kiwi's ball. Number 14, leading the ball. Foul, number 1, Black Mamba. Number 14. Second personal foul for Steve. Beautiful. Shot clock. 3 seconds. 2. And counted. Number 20. Kiwi. 2 points. Number 1, passing number 3. 45-46 in favor of Black Mamba. Number 3. Good. Number 35 got the rebound. Passing number 1. We don't get the rebound. Number 24, dropping down to the floor. Pass to number 3. Back to number 34. Foul, number 3. Third personal foul, number 3, Black Mamba. Number 24, pass to number 14. Number 20, pass to number 3. With a lay. Easy 2 points for number 3, Kiwi. Number 2, leading down the court. 47-46 in favor of Kiwi. Ball, first personal foul. Number 5. Good. Number 1 got the rebound. Easy 3 points. Nah, not good. Number 20, passing number 25. Number 2, pass break to number 5. Easy 3 points for number 3, Black Mamba. In favor of Block Mamba, 47-48, 7 minutes. Shot clock. Oh, number 5. Block Mamba, easy 2 points with a fadeaway. 50-47 in favor of Block Mamba. Foul, number 6, Block Mamba. One point for number 14. Out good. Number 3 got the rebound. Driving down to the pool. Kiwis ball. 14 dribbling down to the pool. 35. Passing number 30, number 3, number 35. Number 3 got a rebound. Kiwis ball. Number 30. Good. Easy 2 points for number 30. Kiwi. Block Mamba. Time out. Reserve time out. Time out. Block Mamba's ball. Start. Number 1, pass to number 35. Back to number 1. Number 1, looking someone to pass the ball. 8 seconds shot clock. Drop. Number 6. Easy 2 points for number 6. Block Mamba. Good. Number 20. Block number 3. Easy. Good. Block Mamba's ball. 50-52 in favor of Block Mamba. Carry. Lifting. Number Kiwi's ball. Pass to number 35. Back. Out. Block Mamba's ball. 4 minutes left. Number 3, dribbling the ball. Easy 2 points. Bang bang. Block Mamba number 2, 2 points.
Four minutes left in the fourth quarter. 50-55. Number 20, pass to number 25. Number 1, Block Mamba to number 6. Number 14, dribbling down. Boss, number 20. Paint work. Easy, 2 points for number 20. Kiwi. 52-55 to Black Mamba. Number 1. 2 minutes and 30 seconds left on the clock. Number 3, pass number 1. 5 seconds left on the shot clock. Number 20, pass. Number 3. Number 3. Number 24. To number 25, miss. Kiwi ball. Two minutes left in the fourth quarter. Last 2 minutes. Who fouled? Who's fouled? Who fouled, ref? Who's fouled, ref? Ah, number 6. Number 6, Black Mamba. Two personal fouls and 14 fouls. Black Mamba. Number 25, pass number 1. Number 1, fast break. Kiwi ball. Black Mamba putting in the pressure. Steal from Black Mamba, fast break. Easy 2 points for number 25, Black Mamba. Timeout, timeout, timeout.
Black Mamba. Okay, sige. Time out kaya? Time out, Black Mamba.
Kuya, wala pa.
3 points for number 25, Kiwi. 56-57, Black Mamba lead. Number 20 with the ball. Pass number 24. Foul number 23. Foul, Black Mamba, number 25. 1 minute left. Number 25, Black Mamba with the steal. Ay! Pero he fumbled the 2 points. Number 20, number 24, back to number 20. Foul. Foul, number 25. Penalty. Third personal foul. Number 25. $57 all. Number 20 Kiwi with the 1 point. 58-57 with Kiwi in the lead. 2 points for number 25 Black Mamba. 59-58 with Black Mamba in the lead. Number 20 got 2 points. 40 seconds left. 60-59 with NC Kiwi in the lead. 2 points for Kiwi. 62-59 in favor of Kiwi. 15 seconds left. 8 seconds left. Elbow. Down. Kiwi won 62-59.